this case, trying to fix the screen of this laptop. What happened is that when the computer is on, we get no display, so the display is not showing any images. So we figured out that connecting HDMI cable to an external monitor, the computer was working fine. So we determined that we have screen issues. So I proceeded opening up this screen and found that the cable coming from the motherboard to the screen itself was disconnected. So this is the cable. So what I'm going to do is put it back and then test it out. Thank you.